Welcome to Bettye's cooking channel. Today I'm going to be making some Southern Macaroni and Cheese. Added about a teaspoon of salt to this water for the macaroni. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon nutmeg. I'm going to use 1 can of carnation milk and 2 32-ounce boxes of pasta because I'm cooking for a large crowd, and I'm using a 32-ounce of macaroni, elbow macaroni, which is 2 pounds for about 26 people. I have cooked 1 box of 32-ounce pasta. Now I'm ready to cook this second box. You notice I have 2 sticks of butter in here, small box of cream cheese that I added to this. You can see the size of it there. Okay, I've already added it to this. And then when the second box get ready, I will add it to this pan here. Instead of cooking the full 32-ounce box of elbow macaroni, I'm only going to do half of it because I don't want to overfill my pan, so it should be enough for 26 people. Add 2 cans of evaporated milk and 1 container of sour cream, which is 1 pound, 16 ounces. I mixed everything up in the pan there. I'm still adding stuff, so that's why you see some cream cheese there. I'm going to add 3/4 of the Velveeta cheese to this large pan of macaroni and cheese. I'm adding 3/4 of the 32 ounces to the macaroni and cheese. I chopped up the Velveeta, but I'm going to add some more pasta to it so it will melt. I'm going to let it sit for a while to melt the cheese. I added some paprika to the mix there. That's sugar, mustard, onion powder, nutmeg, garlic, and paprika. I have 4 eggs that's going to go in this macaroni and cheese. I'm going to go ahead and crack those and mix those up well. I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning to the macaroni and cheese. It's garlic, nutmeg, paprika, sugar, onion powder, and mustard powder. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. You see it makes a lot of mac and cheese. Go ahead and add 2 cans of evaporated milk into the macaroni and cheese. I'm going to go ahead and add the other can of evaporated milk. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the sour cream. And I'm going to have to mix this up really well. I'm going to cook this at 350 degrees probably for about an hour because it's such a large pan. I'm going to go ahead and use 32-ounce half and half in here. I'm going to use 2.5 cups of the Mexican style cheese. Go ahead and put that in there. I just poured the 4 eggs into the macaroni and cheese. Let me mix that up well. It took 1 hour and 15 minutes for this large pan of macaroni and cheese to be ready. I still have to wrap it and transport it to my sister's house for dinner. So it's gonna be great. It looks good. It looks good. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.